Our list at number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Vitamix blankets this list for more reasons than we can count, but we'll do our best. Their 5200 model comes with a powerful motor, and an excellent sized pitcher of 64 ounces. A word of caution, you might have a heart attack at the price, but we can verify that every penny is worth it. We're a big fan of how simple they make the configuration, and use high-quality knobs and switches instead of crummy membrane touch buttons on a soft touch panel. Equipped with high-quality stainless steel blades, you're able to cut through anything you toss in the pitcher. Those blades do come with some serious power, and it actually has a negative impact. The longer you leave this on, the hotter your ingredients will get. Making thick alcoholic drinks or milkshake for 60 to 90 seconds will slowly be heated up, and that's definitely not the desired result. It is a display of the motor's power, which comes in handy for the 60-second self-clean option. In fact, Vitamix is so confident that the entire blender, motor and all, is under a 7-year warranty. Our list at number 2. Ninja Professional Blender. Ninja is a reigning champion of the blender battle, coming in with some serious value and power, and a sleek design to boot. One of our favorite things about Ninja is the ultra-simple interface. Nobody wants 24 buttons and motions. This simple touch button interface is absolutely excellent, complementing the strong and sturdy design. We talk about countertop buzz in our buying guide, basically the noise level and motor strength, versus the actual physical build of the blender. Ninja Professional Blender stands up to the test, weighing nearly 10 pounds, so your mixture isn't going anywhere, or producing unnecessary levels of buzzing. All good things come with their flaws. While Ninja boasts one of the strongest motors on the market for any blender, the power behind it really wears down the blades. You can crush ice cubes in this and make excellent smoothies, but seeded fruits and vegetables will wear down the blades faster, decreasing their already short 6-month lifespan. On the plus side, you can throw these components in the dishwasher thanks to the BPA-free construction, and waste no time scrubbing out each component. All things considered, the cons are minimal. You'll also get a 1-year limited warranty, which can be viewed here, all directly from Ninja. Our list at number 3. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. Manufactured with 12 blending functions, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender is a great addition to your kitchen appliances as it is designed to give the smoothest blend possible. To further explain, the powerful motor provides up to 700 watts at peak operation and uses the latest wave motion technology, which draws down everything you intend to blend towards the blades, resulting in a smoother and even blend each time. And with the addition of a glass jar that measures 40 ounces, you will be free to blend up to 5 cups of fruits and vegetables. No doubt, glass is much safer than plastic, and this particular jar has been tested to withstand high levels of temperature. Other standout features of the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender include the control panel that comes with 4 buttons, 2 of which manage the pulse, with the other 2 handling high or low speeds. Additionally, the lid of this blender is pretty functional itself, as it includes small vents that pop open if the pressure begins to build as a result of hot liquids, and also included as a spout for the easy pouring blended drinks into containers. Our list at number 4. Oster Blender Pro 1200 with glass jar. The Oster 1200 Pro blender is powered by a 1200-watt motor that spins rotor blades at the bottom in forward or reverse motions. These motions, especially the reverse, ensure that larger particles of fruits or vegetables are pushed down towards the blades. And to further add to this ingenious technology, 3 different but related components have been included for more versatility in the kitchen. This includes a food processor, a smoothie cup and the blender itself. So, this means you can chop your salad, make delicious smoothies and milkshakes all in one machine. What's more, when judging the overall design, there is no doubt that this machine was cleverly designed to efficiently integrate these components, as they can be attached and interchanged on the same base. In addition, there are also 4 different speed modes to choose from, namely pulse, low, medium and high. All in all, the overall design of the Oster Blender has been made for easy use. This includes its extra wide bottom for easy blending of fruits and vegetables, the 48-ounce main container that can hold up to 6 cups of blended drinks, as well as the main container that made from heavy lab quality and temperature-resistant glass, which ultimately prevents chemicals from leaking into your blended drinks. Furthermore, it comes built with a screw-on black plastic cap controlled by a lever that locks during operation. Our list at number 5. NutriBullet 12-piece blender. Our runner-up is one you may have expected, NutriBullet. Based on the general consensus from the market, you've seen them everywhere, which is why we put them through a higher standard than average. They did not disappoint. This little marvel will completely pulverize anything you put into it, turning the boundaries of seeded fruits and veggies into a thing of the past. This kit also comes with a dozen parts, most of which are extremely useful. We would classify this as a shake blender, so don't grab this if you're looking to make high volumes of drinks in a single sitting. For such a little thing, we were surprised at how loud and rumbling the motor is. It comes with 600 watts of power, but holds nothing back when it comes to emitting it. The only major problem with the unit itself is that if you don't pay attention and have everything perfectly in place, you can experience a touch of leaking along the base. It's a slow leak, but makes for a bigger cleanup and less of the product you are making. You also get a little recipe book, as well as a 1-year warranty directly from the manufacturer. For the one-man army making protein shakes and healthy, quick breakfasts, this is your wingman.